Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Smudge, and he is here to announce the winner for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited that I am over 2,000 subscribers. And here's Blues. He came over to help too. I was gonna try to show you the box. Y'all, I have this large flat rate United States Postal Service box, and it is chock full. And I can't even show you that because it'll start spilling out. Smudge, you gonna move? Oh, well, there's a lot of stuff in there. If you didn't see the video, you can go back and see the video, but you can't enter anymore because I have chosen a winner. So I will be preparing that box for the winner. And I do want to thank everyone that entered. I had quite a few entries. I'm very, very happy for all of the entries. And also, you got extra entries if you shared me out, and many of you did. Many of you shared me on Instagram, shared me on Facebook, shared me on your community tabs, on your channels, and I appreciate that so, so much, y'all. I just feel like I am in the very best community. I don't feel like we're miles and miles apart. You know, I have people from around the world that watch me. It's pretty exciting. It's pretty exciting. And I'm just very, very happy that you all are here. And the winner of my giveaway of this huge box is Betty Vick. So Betty, please get with me, and I will get this out to you. And please congratulate the winner below if you all will. And I have lots of giveaways. I have several going on. I have a couple going on right now, one starting again tomorrow. I might have some hidden kind of giveaways going on. There's a lot to come in the next in this quarter, going into holiday time, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Lots going on, lots of giveaways will be going on, and I hope that you all will stick around. And the people that are new to me that just came in for the giveaway, I hope you'll stay, and I hope that you'll enjoy my channel. And I just really appreciate y'all very much, and I think of y'all as family and friends. I really do. And a lot of you have told me that you feel the same way, not just about me, but about the other subscribers that are here. So thank you so, so much for being here. And thank you so much to Betty Vick for being a subscriber. And I'm so glad you won, Betty. And like I said, I'll get with you on this. And I feel like there's so much to say, but I'm going to be done. So thank you for stopping by, and count your blessings. And, you know, stick around. You may win another giveaway. And I just hope that you enjoy my content. I just like to have fun. I enjoy skincare. I enjoy makeup. I enjoy friends. I enjoy gabbing with y'all, and sitting down. I feel like I'm sitting down having a cup of coffee with y'all, or a cup of tea, and I really enjoy it, and I hope that you do too. Thank you so much, y'all. Count your blessings. Good to see you all, and love y'all. Bye-bye. She needs the lovin's. She needs the lovin's, Smudge. Good boy. Thank you for loving on her. I know she aggravates you, but she needs you. Aww. My dream has finally come true. I know it won't last long, but